sort of tactics do you have cooked up for this seagull catching venture?
Well, we're out here training for the National Olympic Tournament. It's in San Diego in August. We use a basic dig and grab technique, which is somebody covered in sand. We're going to build the trust of the seagulls out by letting them flow on me. Then we're going to break the trust. Members of my immediate team are Vincent, the dirt digger Cole, the dirt digger, Austin, the pigeon master Matt, and Kyle, the scorpion homework.
Oh my god. You know what? Get it? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Let it go? Yeah. Yes. Let it go. Let it go. Ready?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Joel, what do you have to say for yourself? Joel, any post game comments?
It's a team effort. I can't really take any credit. All I do is grab. We got an amazing team. We've been training real hard. I think the bait change was obviously the clear factor in the catch. I think we're ready for the national tournament. I don't know about you guys.
I agree.